Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights (Mcpcr) has taken suo motu cognizance of the circulation by certain social media handlers and digital media platforms of graphic images, videography and identifying details of the two children killed in the Thronglaubi incident and a minor internally displaced girl whose body was recovered from beneath Singjamai Bridge on April 6. According to a statutory notice issued by its chairperson, Kesham Pradeep Kumar, the publication and dissemination of such content in an undignified manner are in gross violation of child rights, dignity and privacy. It continued to note that it is punishable under the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012, Section 23, which prohibits disclosure of the identity of a child victim, the Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children Act 2015, provisions safeguarding the privacy and dignity of children in need of care and protection, and the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023, provisions relating to lawful investigation, media conduct and protection of victims' identity and other applicable laws governing privacy, decency and responsible media conduct. The Commission directed to all concerned individuals, social media users and media platforms to immediately remove such content and deceit from further publication or circulation of any material that reveals the identity or depicts the victims in an undignified manner. It also warned that non-compliance with these notices shall invite appropriate legal action under the aforesaid laws and other applicable provisions.